Morning po. So, another day. So, ngayon po, magta-try po tayo ng pinagbabawal na kape. So, marami po nagsasabi na sobrang tamis daw po na itong coffee ko brown. Actually, it's been years, no? Since I've tried this. Simula nga nung na-diagnose ako na diabetic noong 2016, hindi ko na siya talaga tinry. So, we'll see now kung ano yung magiging spike sa blood sugar. Tama. It's 10 minutes before 7 a.m. Ang last meal ko was 10 p.m. last night. So medyo mahaba-haba yung fasting. Tingnan natin. Beginning blood sugar level. 113. So yan, maganda. And then babalik ako after an hour and we'll measure kung ano yung magiging spike sa blood sugar after drinking itong famous coffee ko, brown coffee. Kinakabahan ako. At hindi ko siya mabuksan. Ayun. Oh my goodness, yung amoy. Ang bango niya. At alam mong matamis na matamis sa amoy pa lang. We'll see. I'll be back after an hour. Moment of truth. So, nakisang oras na po tayo after drinking the coffee ko, brown coffee. So, kuha na po ng blood sugar reading and we'll see kung sasakalin ako ng endocrinologist ko. Okay. Masakit Yan. Boom! Ay! 182. So wala po ako ibang intake, yung coffee ko lang po. Hindi po ako kumain, hindi ko rin siya inunuman ng water. So just to make sure na ma-capture yung spike sa blood sugar. Balik po ulit ako after an hour. See ya. Yon, so 2 hours na po. Final blood sugar reading. Coffee ko brown yung tinest po natin today. So we'll see kung bumaba na po yung blood sugar level. Oops. Yan. We'll see. Hopefully bumaba na siya. Yun. So 139 po yung final reading natin. Wala actually pumasok siya ron sa sa 140 na threshold. Pero I wouldn't recommend. Ang taas po ng spike kanina plus the fact that coffee lang po talaga yung tinake ko, wala pong ibang food intake, no. So just imagine kung may kasabay siyang breakfast. So definitely sobrang taas po ng blood sugar spike. So yeah, thank you po and see you guys in the next vlog.